How to turn on apps and websites on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on apps and websites on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings. And now just go down here, you will find this one here, apps and websites, and here you will find this apps, websites and games. Click on it and click turn on, and now that's how to turn on apps, websites and games on Facebook Lite. And that's it, it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.